how to get BYBIT wallet address and memo. So after you open up the BYBIT app like this, now go to this asset. So go to deposit, crypto. Now go ahead and tap on this search and search for the coin you want to copy its address and memo. So for me, let's say I will use Ton blockchain, Ton. So after you search for Ton like this now, so after you select the Ton, tap on this one. So after you tap on this one, as you can see now, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see here is the wallet address. If the coin that you want to copy its wallet address and memo has like if the coin that you want to use has memo under this wallet address, if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see memo at the bottom. Because Ton, for now, Ton has no memo, that's why I'm not getting the memo. But if the coin you want to copy it has memo, you'll be able to find the memo under this wallet address. Here is wallet address and the memo will be available under this section. Just tap on this copy button to copy the address and copy the memo as well. And that's it, guys.